This is how to import video files into DaVinci Resolve 20. Once you've opened up DaVinci Resolve, you can either be on the media page at the bottom, the cut page, or the edit page. The easiest way is to just drag your video files into the media pool. If you don't see the media pool, you can click here to turn the media pool on. Open up File Explorer or Finder on your operating system and navigate to the folder that contains your video files. Then you can drag one or more video files over onto DaVinci Resolve and drop them into this media pool area. To remove clips, highlight them and press backspace. You can also drag an entire folder containing multiple media clips. To do that, instead of dragging a file, drag the entire folder onto the media pool area. If you come to the media page at the bottom, notice we have this master here. This is the root of all of your media in your project. Drag an entire folder on top of this master section, and now we have all of the media files contained in that folder under this footage bin. A bin is like a folder to organize things in DaVinci Resolve. Come back to the edit page, click this button here to open up the sidebar, and now you have a footage folder. The great thing about dragging a folder into DaVinci Resolve is that if you were to add a new video file, let's just duplicate this one and we'll rename it This is New. You can come back to DaVinci Resolve, right click on the folder or the bin, come down here and choose Resync Media Files. Click this and now we've got our new thisisnew.mp4 automatically updated and added to this bin.